Today, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana AI for interior design, even if you're just starting out. Nano Banana is an AI tool from Google that turns simple text prompts into realistic room designs. Using it is actually very easy. First, log into a platform that has Nano Banana built in. Most creative AI sites are starting to add it. Next, choose the type of room you want to design. For example, modern living room or minimalist bedroom. Then, type a clear prompt that describes your vision. Be specific, mention the colors, materials, lighting, or style you want. For example, you can type Scandinavian style living room with wooden floors, white walls, and large windows. After that, hit generate. In just a few seconds, Nano Banana will create multiple interior design options. You can pick the one you like or refine it by giving new instructions like add a sofa in gray or make the walls darker. You can even upload reference photos to keep the style consistent. That's it. In just a few steps, you'll have professional looking room concepts without needing design software. So if you're a beginner who wants to visualize ideas for your home, Nano Banana AI makes it fast and easy.